Located in Xiamen, China, GeoTegrity is Asia's largest manufacturer of eco-friendly molded fiber food packaging. It is the result of joint cooperation between FarEast EcoPack and foreign investment partners. GeoTegrity's eco-friendly molded fiber packaging products are manufactured using a completely sustainable manufacturing process. Our entire production process utilizes a wide variety of renewable and sustainable materials such as cornstarch, rice and wheat straw, sugarcane, reed, and other plant fibers. Both our finished products and the production process itself is entirely eco-friendly and sustainable. GeoTegrity has realized full computer automation control of pulping, pulp proportioning, and additives input, increasing the accuracy for pulp freeness, proportion of pulp and water, and reducing the labor input by 50%, thereby significantly lowering the production cost. The forming slurry pool is equipped with a pneumatic jet device to mix the pulp slurry, enabling the product thickness to be even and consistent. The product weight is adjusted by setting the function keys through the computer interface according to the customer's requirements. The weight tolerance can be controlled within a range of 1.5 grams. The energy-saving pressurization system uses patented technology to reduce energy consumption, improve the hot press drying pressure, increase product density, and reduce the amount of water and oil-resistant additives required. The tools utilize the patented technology of energy-saving oil heat transfer method, immediately reducing energy consumption by up to 70% less than electric heating method, and thereby further lowering the production cost. It also adopts the special manufacturing technology of one-step forming, synchronizing hot pressing and drying, which realizes a short production cycle, achieving 30% higher yield than industry peers' equipment. The machine is equipped with a hydraulic jet device. This unique patented technology achieves trim-free production, eliminating both labor and waste associated with the secondary trimming process, and thereby further reducing cost. The production is conducted in accordance with international management standards. The food packaging hygiene standards are strictly implemented to realize dust-free production. The forming machine have a very large work platform and use hydraulic and pneumatic equipment to ensure smooth operation. Its output of various eco-friendly molded fiber food packaging products is 35% higher as compared to industry peers' equipment. The product quality rate is as high as 99.9%. The product quality has reached the international advanced level. GeoTegrity is a high-tech enterprise that leads in the research and development of eco-friendly molded fiber tableware. It helped draft China's national disposable degradable tableware standards. GeoTegrity's modern management system is certified ISO 9000 and ISO 14000. Its food packaging products are certified for food contact in accordance with US, EU, and Japanese national food safety standards. BPI and Dinseco certify its products 100% compostable and biodegradable. In order to meet customers' requirements, GeoTegrity has made special investments in the manufacture of various paper cups. Starting from printing, die cutting, to cup making, the production process strictly implements the international quality standards. The paper cup product range covered single wall, double wall, and ripple wall drink cups. GeoTegrity designs and operates international leading, energy-saving, automatic, eco-friendly molded fiber tableware production equipment with independent patent property rights, striving to build a modern enterprise with characteristics of green, eco-friendly, low carbon, and cost competitive. GeoTegrity's environmental protection technology benefits society and the health of the people.